Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Live Wire by AC/DC. A really old AC/DC song, and I really love the old AC/DC songs. Someone requested from me and I thought, yeah, why not? But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, the coolest guitar community in the world. We are small, but we are cool. I tried to simulate a little bit an AC/DC sounds, but sorry, I didn't really hit it perfect on the thing. I just took a British amp, a little reverb, but I don't really have the equipment, which will be totally original. But I tapped out the whole thing for you here. The tabs will be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Well, parts of it. It's not the whole song, just the parts, and you just need to stick it together. So I'm gonna try to play the first part for you, and then you see how it works. And it's just a rhythm guitar, but it's cool. So. That will be the intro. Now comes the second part. Second part. Third part. And fourth part. Refrain. And so on. So these were all the parts which are coming here, and I'm really going to show them to you. Technically, they're not so hard to play, but it's really hard to remind all parts in the perfect row. So let's get started. Okay guys, the song is in A minor, and we're playing, these are the three chords which are mostly played. Power chords here. 2-2 of the D and G string, 2-2 of the A and D string, and 4-4 of the D and G string. And the first part is the intro, and it starts like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. So you first play the one here, 2-2 on the D and G string, then 2-2 on the A and D string, and then 4-4 on the D and G string. But the tricky part is you have to always make an anticipation 4-and. So 1, 2, you start with this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So, and then that one repeats 4 times. I should play the whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. That's played 4 times. Then comes, it's really nice how they build up tension just with these 3 chords, giving always a little more extra. Then comes the first extra. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and so we keep them remaining the first motif played and add something additional. On 3-and comes here 2-2, 1, 2, 3, and then here on 4-4 on the D and G string. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's played 3 times. And then comes kind of the main riff. That will be this here. It starts on, wait, let me see my tabs here. Okay, on 2 end. So it's all on offbeat. That's a little bit tricky on AC/DC. They all have a lot of offbeats. So here 2 2 2 2 and 3 4 4. It's a 2 end, 3 end, and 4 end. 1 2 and 3 and. See, 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 3 4 1 2. I mean, it's simple to play, but the rhythm is a little bit tricky. That's also played 4 times. And then comes like the full thing before we go to the refrain. That will be this. Same again. It's a combination of the prior one and the one we had just before that one. So we have this. So this starts on 2 end, 3 end, 4 end, and this comes on 3 end, and this on 4 end. 1, 2. Yeah, so that will be that one. And then after that, finally after playing that 4 times, comes the refrain, the chorus, goes to G5. This is open D string, open G string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then to F sharp, power chord, second, and in 8th. And then the thing starts again, so it goes a second round. I'm gonna play this whole thing now. I hope I don't miss anything. It's really, each part is really simple to play once you have the rhythm together, but to keep the which one comes when is a little bit, at least for me. I really need my sheet music here, otherwise I cannot. I don't remember when which part comes. So. Second part. Third part. Fourth part. Refrain. Yeah. So, and as I said, then the whole thing repeats itself. After that, after you repeat it twice, comes this little interlude before the solo, and that's goes like this. Starts, it's a single note line. Here 7 5 9 7 7 in the B minor pentatonics. 9 7 9 7 9 7. And now again we have the anticipation. The first note starts on 4 and 1 2 3 4. The rest is really simple. That is played 8 times, and then the guitar solo starts, and the rhythm guitar starts to play the same thing but now with full chords. Like this. You just make a power chord, the same thing as before, but you double up with the string below and make little bars. Okay, and that is played again 8 times, and then the solo goes into the refrain again. Wait. And then this figure here as an interlude, and then you just keep on listening to this song and just fill in what's coming next. But these were the main parts, and at the ending the refrain repeats itself all the time. There is soloing. You need to listen to the original song, but these were the main parts which are played. Yeah, that was Live Wire by AC/DC. For me personally, showing songs is always the main thing to keep to memorize which part comes when. I always, as I did now in this lesson, I split up a song. There's always the same method. You have several parts and you put them in. You just learn them, and then during a song these parts are rearranged in different ways, but they're always the same parts, sometimes with little variations. Same as here. I showed you the main parts. In this case, a lot of parts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts, and you just need to check out when which part comes and fill it in. And you need to learn the song by heart anyway, For me, I just tab it out, and honestly, I forget it again because I'm not so much I'm more the sight reading guy. I can read the stuff by sight reading, but then I forgot what I played before. I'm more the improvisation guy. Anyhow, these are the parts here, and one more to say. If you want to have the tabs which I wrote out, they are available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, as well as the backing track to practice this stuff. But probably the best thing is to play along with AC/DC. But on the old records, I must say they have another tuning. I think they have a 332 hertz tuning. I once checked it out. I'm not sure, or it's because the old records, they didn't spin the normal speed. That's why the tuning went down. But on the old records, like from Australia, from the 70s, they have a lower tuning, and I think it was a 432 hertz tuning. But don't put me on that. I just checked it out as it could be that, because I personally play a lot with 432 hertz stuff, and it has its magic. That's why it worked with AC/DC. There was a second band, Rose Tattoo, which I personally loved more at the same time, and they played normal tuning, and probably the reason why AC/DC made it was because they used that other tuning. Good. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye. If you have any suggestions or questions, please go to the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, ask there. Or you have any requests for other tutorials, write me in the comments or in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Bye, guys.